about chicken breeds in less than a minute. This is a Rhode Island Red. Beautiful reddish brown looking chickens, primarily used for egg laying in the commercial market. It is an American breed, as the name indicates, Rhode Island, and they're super hardy, both cold and heat tolerant, and they constantly lay eggs, about 260 of them per year, kind of like a medium brown. Super easy to take care of, pretty affectionate, sometimes can be loud, but they are a great addition to the flock. Rhode Island Red. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next video.